Bumble Nums. Today is Halloween, and the Bumble Nums are going to make Petrified Pumpkin Seed Snack Mix! But what's the spooky ingredient? 1 bucket of petrified pumpkin seeds. The Bumble Nums are on their way to the spooky pumpkin patch to collect the petrified pumpkin seeds they need for their Petrified Pumpkin Seed Snack Mix. Are you ready, Humble?
Yum!
And how about you, Grumble?
Yum!
And how about you, Stumble?
Yum!
Don't scare us like that, Stumble! Oh, did you see that, Bumble Nums? One of the pumpkins' faces moved. That means the pumpkins are ready for you to scare the seeds out of them. But how are you going to frighten them?
Yum, yum, yum!
It's a surprise? All right, well, get to scaring. You're scaring them with spooky Halloween costumes. Spooktacular! The pumpkin seeds will be petrified in no time.
Yum!
Or not.
Yum!
Oh, what a macabre mummy! The pumpkins still aren't scared. Hey, maybe Stumble will have better luck. What terrifying costume is he wearing?
Yum! Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum. Yum.
Come on, Bumble Nums. You've got to spook them, or you can't make your Petrified Pumpkin Seed Snack Mix. Now those are some ghastly ghost costumes, Bumble Nums. You look positively petrifying. Bumble Nums? If you're there, then who are... Watch out, Bumble Nums! But also, don't forget the petrified pumpkin seeds.
Yum! Yum! Yum, 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 yum!
Yum! Yum, yum, yum!
Yum! Yum!
1 bucket of petrified pumpkin seeds. That's all you need, Bumble Nums. Now let's get out of here!
Yum! 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 Yum!
Yum!
There's the kitchen.
Yum! Yum! Yum!
Yum!
Bumble Nums, do you have the 1 bucket of petrified pumpkin seeds? Spooktacular! Now that we have the spooky ingredient to make our Petrified Pumpkin Seed Snack Mix, it's time for the cooking countdown! 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, Bumble Nums, you've done it again! How does your petrified pumpkin seed snack mix taste? Is it frightfully delicious?